What's up guys? We are heading again to the gun show. This is the Las Vegas Convention Center together with Star.
Guys, I hope you came to watch our video.
Ito na nga ulit guys yung venue ng gun show. Pagpasok mo dito sa entrance, ito madaanan mo kagad itong mga amo. Ikutan ko lang guys para mai-share ko mamaya. Tingnan natin isa-isa itong presyo ng mga baril nila. O ito maraming panindang baril to, paikot. Ito meron din dito. Yeah. Hi.
Good job, man.
Yeah. I just meet some of my supporters, subscribers.
Yes, sir.
Thank you guys, thank you.
No problem, thank you.
Yeah. Itong vendor na to guys is they have a lot of handgun na affordable. Mas mababa yung presyo nila dito kumpara mo dito sa mga ibang vendor. They have different kinds of handgun also. Ito meron silang mga revolver. And this is nice. This is Desert Eagle. Ito naka-box pa to Oh. Very nice.
What I like about it, but when it's fully loaded,
It's nice, bro.
it's gonna compensate.
Very good, huh? Hi.
You have the sling, it's gonna be a lot heavier. Hey, good
Good morning.
How are you?
Yeah.
Hey, we're at LVCC 11 Tactical.
Yeah.
Welcome. We're up until today. Then tomorrow, or probably next week, 22nd, 23rd, we'll be at the Speedway. Catch you there. All right, see ya.
What did you buy, bro?
I got a little baton,
Yeah, here.
and then I got the AR pistol.
AR pistol?
Yeah.
Oh,
Wanna
nice.
check it out?
Yeah. Can we see?
So,
Oh, this is nice, bro.
yeah.
Hey, it's 9, AR9, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Congrats.
Yeah.
Ito napakaraming vendor guys. Ito yung meron dito kabilaan yung mga nagtitinda ng baril dito. Meron din dito. Ito may mga old guns, accessories. Hi bro. Good morning. Tapos bukod pa doon sa likod nakikita ko yung mga old guns din doon nandoon. Then ikot lang tayo dito. Hi. Ito may mga optic dito, accessories. And there's also a lot of ammo here. Ito yung mga, dito rin yung mga old guns. But, ito, silipin lang natin dito, guys. Ito, marami rin itong panindang, old guns. Kabilaan. Then, ito, guys, yung gun show. Isa-isahin nating ipakita yung mga presyo nila para meron kayong idea kung gusto nyong bumili ng baril dito sa Las Vegas. Etong Glock guys na discontinued product nila dun sa mga Gen 3, 4, 5. Kung makita nyo meron na silang ipinalit dito. Ito yung Glock B series na sinasabi nila. Ito yung Glock 19B. At saka kung makita mo yung forma niya at saka yung yung itsura is parang katulad din doon sa Gen 5. Ang sabi nga nitong mga vendor is nabago na yung loob niya para hindi na madaling ma-modified. Ito, yung Glock 19 Talo Edition 659. So this is 579. Hindi ito optic ready. Pero parang ganun din guys, pati yung sight, ayan yung Glock 19 mo is pareho pa rin pagka tingnan mo sa labas. And this is the Glock 17B, ayan. Ito yung kanya 579 naman. Yung discontinued product kasi ng Glock guys is madaling ma-modify, ginagawa nilang automatic kaya naban dito sa California. Then eto nga ang ginawa nila. Naglabas sila ng ito, yung B series. Pero wala pa yung mga ibang model. Nandito pa rin yung mga Glock 19 nila yan. 759. Optic ready. Glock 19 Gen 5 579. Ito, hindi MOS. Meron pang Glock 19 Gen 4. Ito, Glock 19 Gen 3. Ayan. Gen 5. Ito, napakarami pa nilang Glock dito guys. Kung naghanap ka ng Glock, itong vendor na to is from Utah ito. I think dito lang sila pumupunta sa Las Vegas Convention Center na gun show. 43X. Ito. 449.
Oh, I don't think they have Mac. Oh, they don't know. It's okay. Maybe they do. I don't know. But like, we're always down to try something. I did. We can Google don't have
40G.
Greg says, yeah, not as unique.
1911.
He likes that.
459. Ito, HK, Optic Ready, 689. And this is the Flux Legion 1349. SIG 539. Ito maliit lang to ha. Ito napakagandang pang CCW. And this is 1249 SIG. Ito napakagandang baril din to guys. Full metal din to. Steel. Napakabigat no. And this is the P320X series. Ito meron pang logong Angkor ha. P320 M17 599. P320 M18 549. Ito shorter barrel. P320 M18 599. Oh, this is different prices. Ito the P365 Legion. Ito guys, napakagandang baril din to. P365 P365 XL. P365 Fuse, this one. And ito with optic. Ito 899 789 Macro. And this is the Echelon 589 Dark Earth. Optic ready. And this is Mac. Yan. 989 ha. Napakaganda ha. And ito yung 2K11 guys ng Kimber. Makita mo 1799 lang dito sa kanila. Ito. Napaka-smooth din ng slide nito. Kasi nasubukan ko to kahapon is very nice. Hellcat OSP 399. Ito yung Canik TTI Combat nila dito is ito. Kung gusto mo yung with optic is 1079 and without the optic is this one 939. And this is also 899. Oh, mas mura to ha. And this is the 899. ZZ P10F. Oh, napakamurang-mura to ah. 299. Ah, used. It's used. Pero tignan mo yung itsura is napakaganda pa. This is ito, yung canic meat. 449 at saka merong 599. 449,599 ito. And this is the SFX Rival. 599. Meat 1 series. Ito guys, kung naghahanap ka ng budget handgun is ito napakaraming pagpilian dito. Kung dito sa mga 9mm 22 380 is meron sila dito. I think these are all 22. Ito, mga 22 nila. Oh, bigat na. And this is TX22 Compact 329. Ayan. Meron din Glock. What is this? Glock 44 22. Ito napakagana. And this is the P322 Optic Ready 22 LR. And this is MNP 22X. Ito maganda rin to guys. Keltec. Hammerly. AR pistol. AR9. Ito meron din sila dito. Ito yung FX9. Kung naghanap ka ng AR pistol is ito 599. FX9. Hi sir, good morning. This is Mac 999. Ito napakagandang design nito. Full dead bat. Ayan. Military armament. And this is also MCX 2249. Oh, ito yung presyo nito at saka dito is ito kalahati. Oh, this is 762 by 39. Kaya pala mas mahal guys. And this is 9mm ito. Ito Kona, ito yung Springfield 9mm. It's 1,149. Kung makita mo yung itsura is parang parehas lang dito sa Sig. And this is the Mac. Ayan. Sub 2000 Gen 3. Ayan. And this is the
357 and 44 Magnum. So it comes with 2 barrels.
2 barrels?
Yeah, so it has a 50 AE,
50 AE is in
44
here?
Magnum, and
Also, it have,
357.
so it have 3 barrel.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice. Oh, that's why it's expensive, bro. Yeah?
Yep, you get like 3 different guns.
Yeah, yeah. Ito yung Desert Eagle nila is including may extrang barrel pala ito, kaya pala mahal. Ito. 50 AE, 44 Magnum, and
That's
Ano?
why I came.
357. Ayan.
7 rounds. So you put 7 and 7 and 1 in the chamber, it holds 15.
Oh, okay.
Then, so you can put slugs in one barrel, buckshot in the other barrel, whatever, birdshot or whatever.
Yeah, yeah.
And you pick your barrel by pushing that back and forth which barrel.
Oh, you can
Yeah.
choose what
So you can decide what to shoot out of it.
Okay, nice. Ito guys, kung naghahanap ka ng magandang shotgun, itong MNP 12. 15 rounds yung capacity niya. Then pump action to, guys, ito. Pero dito mo na hilain yung pag-load mo para hindi na katulad nung dati na dito mo lang hawakan. Pero napakabigat, ha. Oh, this is so heavy. Tapos ito naman is 499 and this is 999. Ito 12 gauge din. Ito napakabigat din nito. What is this? Mika. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Sana hindi kayo magsawang manood dahil lahat ng gun show event dito sa Las Vegas or any arms show is I'm trying to share, guys. Abangan nyo lang yung mga video ko.